Guys, my name is Ibrahim. My ambassador name is Khano. Today I am going to Farjexo Cornexo. Cornexo USDT. What is Cornexo? Cornexo is an invitation, decentralized marketing platform that runs on Farjex token with the tools to create and manage their online business, as well as run from staking and farming. Cornexo runs off a Farjex token, a BNB chain token with recommended ownership and 40 holders. Connexa is powered by smart contracts with the open code and sticks to transparent and intelligently. Connexa is a part of the Farjex space economics, which brings together decentralized projects from drivers, field. Connexa is constantly evolving and offering new solution tailored to fit the needs of the community. Meet Connexa USDT coming in May 2024. Connexa USDT is a 14 level smart contract impedance program with the Connexa platform with no exploration does on lemons that offers instant USDT and Farjex rewards directly to users' wallets. Unlocking the benefits, exploration of the advantage of Connexa. Infinite work and rewards with no exploration on levels. Auto restarts of level cycles for continuity engineering. It ends security with 100% fund distribution is users. Immediately rewards sent directly to personal wallets. Transparency in user through open smart contracts. No need to withdraw. Economics seems users exploration. Equal operation untiles for all particles. Connex USDT matrix overview 20%, 13%, 15%. Basis of facts about Connex USDT level activities and rewards are in USDT and FRGX. 14 level that cost from 5 to 7,000 USDT. Levels have no explained dates, 14 places and 3 lines in each level plus 60% rewards per each level cycle. Auto restarted of level after 14 places are taken. Unlimited creation for infinite rewards in USDT. Distribution of rewards 20%, 13%, 15%, 1, 3, 7, 11, 9. Every time a user activates level their transaction automatically divided by the smart contract into 3 parts, 20%, 13%, 15% by one activation a user occurs 3 places on 3 lines in the matrix security structure guarantee rewards for 3 parts. Connex USDT level person level 1 price USDT 5, level 2 10, level 3 15, level 4 25, level 5 14, level 6 16, level 7 19, level 8 20 100. Volt per cycle USDT 23 46 69 115, 184, 20, 176. Levels can be activated only in assessment order from levels to highest. Each level is a spirit matrix structure that working independently. You can set your account to release rewards in projects at the current market value. Profit from the first cycle of each level is more than info to activate the next level. Explore Connex USDT level. Level 1 55 USDT, level 2 10 USDT, level 3 15 USDT, level 4 25 USDT, level 5 14 USDT, level 6 16 USDT, level 7 90 USDT. Connex service fee. Connex service fee is charged with every level activation and is allocated to the platforms. Continuous development managed Connex products and the overall projects economics. Price USDT 5, 10, 15, 25, 14, 16, 19, 20, 100, 40, 100. Fee USDT 0.8, 1.5, 2.1, 3.25, 4.8, 6.6. Level price. Marketing spirit, the word and support the team. Behind project token staking. In liquidly and USD project token rate. Project token bring decrease the number of projects on the marketing and boost the demand. Connex USDT. Exploration of the advantage of Connex USDT. Direct partner is a person who has registered with your personal affiliate link. They occupy the next free place both in your activated level and in the matrix structure above you. Places has post in the activated level that can be accepted by other users as soon as all the places are taken. The level automatically rewards. Splurge happen if places in your level are occupied not only by your direct partners but also by partners of other team members. They can come from above and below. Splatter from above is a direct part of your upline. Spiller from below is a direct part of your downline. Connex USDT terms. Level cycle is a level with all 14 places taken by particles. Level represented opens the same. A level automatically as soon as the two last places are taken and the rewards for these places is allocated to buy this level again. Our taking happens if you have not activated the level your downline party has. So the rewards goes to the closest upline particle who activated this level. Freezing happens when your level is complete but the next more level is not activated. In this cases the missed profit goes to your upline partner. Lost profit occurs when you miss rewards for partners due to overtaking or freezing add the are redirected to an upline pattern. External profit, extra profit is a reward that comes to you from below because on our more of the downline partners have lost their profits. Connex.com. Connex USDT details. By default, rewards for invited part are created in Fargex. Fargex, you can switch the cryptocurrency to USDT in the setting. You can register in Connex and activity levels with USDT, BNB, and FRX at your choose. The Hub account is the base of the MetaX structure. If users register without a referral link, the Hub account will be in default. The rewards recorded by Hub account are automatically distributed as follows. 14% is allocated to marketing in USDT, 14% is allocated to the staking pool FRGX, and 20% is spent on hanging burning FRGX token. Receive payments in USDT. Receive payment in FRGX. Register FRGX USDT BNB. Marketing FRGX staking. Cornex USDT.